Here's a very quick demo showing how you could use the Scoutbees API together with the PowerShell script in Microsoft Power Automate to automatically create your Scoutbees scouts for you. So for example, perhaps if I'm doing an automated server build within Power Automate, the last step might be to execute this PowerShell script and create a scout that will do synthetic testing and proactive monitoring on that server that I've created. In this quick demo, I'm just going to do powerautomate.microsoft.com and a simple ping test. So I'm just going to run the script from the very last step, which is the step to create the scout. And if I go over to ControlUp Solve and go to synthetic monitoring, within Scoutbees I should be able to find that scout. And the script worked. Power Automate ran the script and it created the scout that's doing the ping test of powerautomate.microsoft.com. Simple and effective.